या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवे सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा. On this auspicious day of Basant Panchami, I invoke the goddess of knowledge to remove lethargy, sluggishness, and ignorance. Welcome to Edupreneurs Conclave 2013. May I now invite Professor Sameer Bandyopadhyay, Honorable Vice Chancellor, West Bengal University of Technology, to please come on to the stage to light the ceremonial lamp. Thank you, sir. Just briefly the schedule for today. We have an exciting day ahead. The first session will be Regulation of Higher Technical Education, Changing Paradigms and Future Roadmap, which would be till 11:15. Then we would have the session 2, which is Future of Learning, till 12:30 p.m. And post that we would have a special Basant Panchami event. And post-lunch session will be attracting foreign students for higher technical education in India, creating a conducive environment. We have foreign ambassadors from various embassies. And last but not the least, we have the Edupreneurs Awards 2013 ceremony, which will be 2:45 p.m. onwards. We have our special guest, Dr. Shashi Tharoor, who would be arriving at 2:30.
Universities, 4,000 engineering colleges affiliated to around 16 state technical universities, and other premier institutions like IITs, NITs, triple ITs, etc., so and so forth. Regulating such a diverse and vast system of higher technical education has its own challenges and constraints. What are the various pitfalls of the existing regulatory regime, and how are they being redressed by the introduction of new legislation? These are probably some of the very curious questions with the coming of the Foreign Universities Bill and a whole lot of bills pending in the Ministry of Human Resource Development, which will have a very significant impact on the emergence of the higher technical education in the country. The recent admittance by a senior advisor of the All India Council of Technical Education that 90% of the institutions are flouting norms sends a warning signal. The question arises, was it an overzealous statement of a candid regulator, or this is the reality of overarching reality of the Indian higher technical education? I would like to invite, we already have Professor Sameer Bandyopadhyay, a very eminent academician and the Vice Chancellor of the West Bengal University of Technology, with us on the panel. I would like to invite Ms. Mani Gupta, a legal expert on the various regulatory aspects of higher technical education, to please come. And I would also request Mr. Abhishek Tripathi, who is yet another eminent legal luminary in this game. And we also have a very eminent academician with us in our audience today, Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe. He is an awardee in a very special category today. But I would request Professor Sahasrabudhe. He is the director of the eminent College of Engineering, Pune, the legendary 150-year-old institution. So sir has a diverse interest being a director of such an eminent institution. Please come and share his views on this. So I would request the eminent panelist, Professor Bandyopadhyay, to please chair the session and the other panelists to share their views. I would request Mani to give, first of all, a whole word view, a whole feeler as to what this debate, what this regulatory aspects around higher technical education is all about, what are the challenges, what is the reality, how the legislation are being pushed, what impact it will have. So I open it to the panelists. Thanks a lot.